you, ang float na ito features an enchanting and celestial design that captures the essence of love while creating a cloud-nine feeling. Adorned with vibrant flowers, it radiates a dreamy, magical vibe, seamlessly blending the beauty of romance with a balanced-inspired aesthetic, reflecting the movie's space-time travel theme. The float immerses you in a cosmic journey of love and wonder.
Magkita-kita po tayo. Iba pala yun. Hello po!